Look, Josh. Look it. And look it down there. I'm going. We're fine. So? Bye. Oh, well. I don't care. So? Oh, well. Mom, shoes are the worst thing. Shoes don't have grip. If I fall, my iPod's going with me. I'm not gonna drop it. I'm already down here.
Hey, it's open a whole fridge and everything.
How we? Ah, I just stepped on a piece of glass.
Then just cut across when you get over there. No.
Mom, I made it! I'm alive! Wow, oh my God. Oh my God. Josh, I gotta walk down there. No, I can't walk in there. There could be snakes and crap.
Don't drop the iPod.
I won't. I'm fine! Shut up. Oh, wow! Look, it's overflowing.
That's bad. That's serious.
Oh my God.
Are you recording it as like
Yeah,
a
I'm recording
photo?
it. Yeah, no, I'm recording as a video.
Yeah, okay, don't drop it.
See, that you could ride a boat in that. That's what last time, but this was never nearly this bad.
This is really crazy. This is the most water I've ever seen around here. Look at it. There's a bunch of balls down there that washed up. Soccer ball and a
Let's go down
basketball.
there. Wish we could go down there. I'm scared to step in the water because they're. What? Nuh-uh. I'm not screwed if I fall in. Hang on. Alright, I made it. Woohoo! I'm not dead. Woohoo! Yeah. Oh my God. My friends are gonna be like, what in the world? I would never do that. I'd be like, I don't care. Oh, I'm so dirty. Ah! That's not nice. Look at that. Mom's yelling. We're gonna go this way, Mommy! Ow. Man, I should have worn my tennis shoes.
Photograph. Get good ones. Let me see.
I'm getting videos. I'm gonna post it on YouTube and Facebook. I want to stick in it.
No, I wish we had a boat.
I know. That is crazy.
Now this is the walking trail
And that's
that we
the water.
normally walk on, and there's the bridge over there that we normally walk across.
But it's very.
And as you can see, there's water. Looks like a river.
Raging river.
This is exactly.
This is what it was like last time, but not like it wasn't all flowing because we came later.
This looks like it used to have water here at one time, anyways.
Yeah. It would be prettier if it wasn't a trail and it'd be like this.
We got a path and don't know where it goes, but it's got its own path on somewhere around there.
That's the regular water. This isn't.
You know what, air? This is some here. We're gonna go ahead and get back to the house. It's starting to rain faster.
No, don't leave me! fun.
Don't follow.
Ow, that's glass. That's nice. Woohoo! That was fun. Just my feet. It's only raining wet. Yeah, like it. Oh my God. Mom, I got a whole entire video still running.